Hello, welcome to Learn to Crochet with Daisy. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to make the double crochet. The abbreviation for double crochet is DC, and this is the symbol. It looks like a HDC with a bar in the middle. Let's get started. I have here with me a chain 12. The turning chain for a DC is a chain 3, so we will skip the first 3 chains. Yarn over, insert your hook into the 4th chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. We now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, draw through 2, yarn over and draw through 2. This is how we make a double crochet. Let me repeat that. Yarn over, insert the hook into the next chain, yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over, draw through 2 loops, yarn over, draw through 2. Keep working like this till the end of the row, and I will show you how to start a new row. I have completed this row. Now to start a new row, chain 3 and turn. This chain 3 is considered as a stitch. So since it replaces the first stitch, we will not be working from the very first DC. So yarn over and insert your hook into the second stitch and make a DC. So keep working till the end of this row, and I will show you how to finish this row. I have reached the end of this row. Now since the turning chain replaces the stitch, the chain 3 at the beginning is also considered as a stitch. So that means we need to make a DC on top of the turning chain. So yarn over and insert your hook on top of the chain 3 and pull up a loop. Now complete the very last DC. So this is how you make the double crochet. Keep practicing this stitch, and I will meet you in the next lesson where we will learn how to make the double crochet increase and decrease. Happy hooking!